To enable Bitbucket pipelines for continuous integration and deployment, follow these steps. Log into Bitbucket. Go to Bitbucket and log in with your credentials. Navigate to your repository. Select the repository where you want to enable pipelines. Access Pipeline Settings. On the left sidebar of your repository page, click on Pipelines. If this is your first time setting up pipelines, you may see a prompt to enable it. Enable Pipelines. Click the Enable Pipelines button. This action will create a default Bitbucket pipelines.yml file in your repository if one does not already exist. This YAML file defines the pipeline configuration. Configure the pipeline. After enabling pipelines, you can edit the Bitbucket pipelines.yml file to define your build, test, and deployment processes. This file should be located in the root directory of your repository. Here's a basic example of what the file might look like. Commit and push the configuration. Save the Bitbucket pipelines.yml file and commit it to your repository. Monitor pipelines. Go to the Pipelines section in your Bitbucket repository to monitor pipeline runs and view logs.